Welcome to Healthy Habits. We are so glad you found us. Here at Healthy Habits, we are dedicated to helping you live your healthiest and happiest life. Our channel is all about sharing practical tips and advice for improving your nutrition, staying active, and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Whether you're looking to lose weight, boost your energy levels, or just feel better overall, we've got you covered. Our team of experts will provide you with the latest research and recommendations for living a healthier life. So join us on this journey to better health and wellness. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all of our latest videos. We can't wait to share our healthy habits with you.
Ashwagandha, most powerful adaptogen. An adaptogen is a natural substance that helps the body to better handle stressors and restore balance, homeostasis. It does this by modulating various physiological systems, such as the adrenal, nervous, and immune systems. Adaptogens do not have a specific action, but rather they help the body adapt to various stressors in a way that is unique to each individual. Some common adaptogenic herbs include ginseng, ashwagandha, rhodiola, and cordyceps. Adaptogens are believed to be safe and non-toxic, and have been used for thousands of years in traditional medicine for a variety of purposes, including enhancing physical and mental performance, reducing fatigue and stress, and improving overall health and well-being. In this video we will talk about ashwagandha and why it is one of the best adaptogens. The main chemical compound in ashwagandha that is responsible for stress adaptation is withanolides. They are a class of naturally occurring compounds found in the plants of the genus Withania, ashwagandha. They have anti-stress properties, primarily by reducing the levels of cortisol, a stress hormone, in the body and improving the body's adaptation to stress. Withanolides also have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, which may contribute to their stress-relieving properties. They also improve cognitive function, boost immunity, and have potential as anti-tumor agents. Why do people start feeling a sense of calm and reduced anxiety after consuming ashwagandha? It helps to regulate the HPA, hypothalamic pituitary adrenal, axis, which is the body's primary stress response system. HPA axis dysfunction is often associated with chronic stress, leading to elevated cortisol levels. This is achieved through the modulation of certain stress-responsive genes and neurotransmitters that regulate the HPA axis. Ashwagandha helps regulate the hormones cortisol and DHEA. Cortisol is a hormone produced by the adrenal glands in response to stress. It is part of the body's stress response system, called the HPA, hypothalamic pituitary adrenal, axis, which helps regulate the body's response to stress. Cortisol acts on various tissues and organs in the body to produce a wide range of effects, including increasing blood sugar levels, suppressing the immune system, and affecting the metabolism of fat, protein, and carbohydrates. Under normal circumstances, cortisol levels rise in the morning and gradually decrease throughout the day. Chronic stress, however, can disrupt this pattern, leading to elevated cortisol levels and HPA axis dysfunction. Elevated cortisol levels have been linked to various health problems, including anxiety, depression, insulin resistance, and decreased immune function. DHEA, dihydroepiandrosterone, is a hormone produced by the adrenal glands. It is a precursor to several other hormones, including testosterone and estrogen, and plays a role in regulating the body's stress response, metabolism, and immune function. DHEA levels naturally decline with age, and low levels of DHEA have been linked to various health problems, including depression, decreased immune function, and osteoporosis. Because ashwagandha helps reduce stress, it can help individuals have increased endurance when they work out. This is because it can help increase testosterone levels. Stress makes you weak, and ashwagandha is really good for someone that feels weak after stress. A good example is if you had some immune infection and you're trying to recover from that but you feel really weak, ashwagandha is really good as it increases the strength. Another scenario is like if you have been stressed for some time and you are not sleeping well. Ashwagandha can help raise your strength so you at least don't feel weak. It has also shown significant improvements in emotions. It uplifts your emotions so you're not stuck in a stress state. Also, make sure to watch our video on the best ways to lower cortisol levels.
Thank you for watching this video on healthy habits. We hope you found the information helpful and are motivated to make positive changes in your own health and wellness journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all of our latest videos. We post new content every week, so there's always something new and exciting to learn. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. We love hearing from our viewers and always do our best to respond to your comments. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.